Did you ever made money with affiliate marketing? Well, today I'm going to show you a method that I use to create a high converting pins that are getting me lots of free traffic from Pinterest to my blog where I'm promoting different kind of Digistore24 affiliate products. Now, first thing you need to do, you need to choose a niche. Next thing you need to do, you need to make your blog or a website. You can use your landing page, but I would recommend to create your own blog or website. You can create a free blog at Blogger. Blogger is owned by Google and you can create a 100% free blog. Now, next thing you need to do, you need to go here on ChatGPT and you need to give it a prompt. Something like this. For example, let's just say that I'm in cooking niche. Give me 5 best chocolate cakes and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me 5 best chocolate cakes. So now what I need to do, I actually need to create an image for one of these chocolate cakes. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here on this plus and then I need to click here on create image, okay? And now I need to give it a new prompt. I will say create image for, I don't know how to pronounce this, chocolate cake. This is the first chocolate cake as you can see, and then simply press enter. Now this may take a time for ChatGPT to create this image. As you can see, it already started making this image. Now I forgot to mention that these images should be in 9:16 ratio. In the minute you will see why we need images that are in 9:16 ratio. Now in the meantime, while ChatGPT is creating this image, you need to go on a website called Runway and you need to create a free account on this website. This website will create a really good videos from your images, and that is why we are actually creating an image here in ChatGPT, because we are going to use Runway to convert that in a video. So just register for a free account here on Runway. Okay, ChatGPT finished our cake and here you can see how this looks. It actually looks really good. So let me just close this. Here you can see this is the image. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here and I need to download this image to my desktop. So next thing I need to do, I need to click here and I need to give it a new prompt. So I can say something like this. Give me a prompt to make a video for this image and also make it look like it just came out of the oven and someone is putting it on the table, and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me a prompt for my video, and this is the prompt. So I simply need to copy this prompt and I need to go here on Runway, okay? And this is how your dashboard will look. So what you need to do, you need to click here on generate video because you wish to create a video. Then simply click here on select assets and then click here to upload the image, okay? Let me find the image that I created in ChatGPT. Okay, it is in downloads. This is the image. Click here on open, give it a few seconds to actually upload this image, okay? Okay, as you can see, it uploaded this image. Next thing we need to do, we need to click here and like I said, we need to choose 9:16. So now we will actually need to crop this image. I will actually move it like this, okay? And then click here on crop. Okay, give it a few seconds. And now here I need to add my prompt that ChatGPT created, okay? So now just click here on generate and Runway will generate this video. Now, this is by far fastest AI video generator. Just give it a few seconds to create this video. Now, while Runway is creating these videos, what you need to do, you need to go back here on ChatGPT and you need to tell it to make you an image for each of these 5 chocolate cakes. And we need to create prompts for videos for each 5 of those images for each 5 of these chocolate cakes. So let me go back here on Runway to see. Okay, as you can see, it's already 75% finished. Like I said, this is by far fastest AI video generator. And it is free. So as you can see, this is the cake. So let me just click here on play to see how it looks. Okay, I would actually create a better video, but for the purpose of this video, I will leave it as it is. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here on download, and I will download this video to my desktop. So next thing I need to do, I need to go here on Canva. You can use any video editor that you want, but for the purpose of this video, I will use Canva. And then simply click here on mobile video. And now I need to create a mobile video. So let me just click here on uploads, and I need to click here on upload files, and I need to upload videos that I created in with Runway, okay? So what I need to do, I actually need to add something, some element, okay? So I will click here and I will move this, okay? Move it here. And I'm going to make it like this, okay? And I'm going to change the color. So I will change, let's say, for example, something like this. And now I need to click here on T for text. And let's say this one here. And I will say 5 best chocolate cakes. I will add capital B, capital C, okay, and again capital C, and I'm going to make it like this, okay, just to see. Okay, it's not the best. I will leave it like this, okay, and I'm going to make this, and I'm going to make color of these letters to be white. So let me highlight this, click here, and now here you can see these letters are now white. So again, I will go back here on uploads and I will move this video here, okay? And let me just make this larger like this, okay? And I'm going to move this backwards, okay? So let me just click here on layer and go here on backwards, okay? And here you can see now this is best chocolate cakes backward. It is front, okay? And this is my first slide, and it is actually 5 seconds long. And then here I will add another slide, okay? Another slide, and that will be my second cake, okay? And let me just make this larger, okay? And again, I will go here and create this element. Same thing, move it here and move it like this. And again, change the color of this. And again, same text I will use. Just copy this. Control C, go back here. And again, I will use same text style. And I'm going to paste that here. And I'm going to move it, just move it up, okay? Now here you can see it automatically added the music. Now you should add music on these kind of videos. Now here you can see how this looks, okay? But in the meantime, I will click here and I will add a transition. So let's say, for example, something like this. So let me just click play, just so you can see how this looks. Now you should always add some kind of music on these kind of videos, and slides should be between 3 and 5 seconds long, not longer than that. And I would add a new slide and a new slide for a new video. Like I said, you need to create videos for each 5 of these cakes. And here you can see how this looks. Now these cakes look delicious. People would actually like to eat this, and they would be interested to see the recipes for these cakes. So what I can do, I can simply go here again on elements, okay? And then again, I will click here and I'm going to move that here on the bottom, and I will make it like this, and I will actually make this smaller, something like this. And I will add a call to action. So click here on this T for text, and I will choose this one. And here I will say something like this, but I will make this to be smaller, okay? But a bit larger than this, okay? And I'm going to move that here. So let me just make this larger so you can see what I'm actually doing. So I will move this here and make this a bit smaller, and then move it here, okay? And this is how this looks. Of course, you will make this better. And now I have my call to action, so people will see this video here with all of these delicious looking cakes, and they would, like I said, they would like a recipe, and here they will see a call to action. Click for recipe, click on visit website. So when we actually go here on Pinterest, we will see that people, when they click on these images, for example, I just search for chocolate cakes, here we will see visit website too. So if they wish to get these recipes, they will need to click here on this button to visit the website where they will actually see these recipes. These videos convert really well. You will get a lots of traffic, lots of clicks from Pinterest, because like I said, these videos are actually delicious. People would like to eat these cakes. They look perfect, right? So what you need to do, so let me just pause this. You need to make a blog post where you actually gave recipes for these chocolate cakes. So here you can see this is a Medium article, and here you can actually add your affiliate links on these articles. Simply go here on Digistore24 marketplace and here search, for example, chocolate. Okay, in this case. And then here you can see 600 chocolate recipes. And here you can see it costs, this ebook costs $11 US. You will earn 25% affiliate commission. And like I said, you will get a lots of traffic from Pinterest, from this video, to your blog article where you are promoting this Digistore24 affiliate product. Now, guys, like I said, these videos, they convert really well. You will get a lots of free traffic because, like I said, as you saw, these cakes, in this case, they look perfect. They look delicious. People would like to make these cakes and they would click to see the recipes because you gave them just a cake, but you didn't give them a recipe. You created a curiosity. You created a thirst for knowledge. Okay, people would like to know how to make that cake. Okay, and that is why they will click on that visit site button to see the recipe, to see how to make that cake. Okay, and if you have a good product, in this case, here you can see 600 chocolate recipes. People will actually buy that ebook. It is not even expensive, $11. So people will buy that ebook. You will earn 25% affiliate commission. And you will get, from this video, you will get a lots of free traffic from Pinterest. And from this product, 600 chocolate recipes, you will actually make a lots of money from Digistore24 affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.